Here on the impact driver, we have to imagine, or at least in my case, I want it on my right side, so I'm going to put it on this side of the drill. And it goes in like that. Hook in the holes, find the hole for the screw. Nice and snug, and now I can use it, and when I'm done with it, hook it on a belt, on a pocket, whatever. If you look on the screw, you'll see that little blue line, that's thread locker. That sort of ensures that the screw stays in there and doesn't work itself out over time with the vibrations of the tool and whatnot. Yeah, that worked. Okay, all done. 1, 2. Find the eye hooks, one of those 2 holes.
Cut.
This gets cut out.